River dolphins. What's going on with the river dolphins? Why are there only so many left? And why and where in the world are they? I didn't know there was such a thing. I foolishly thought that all dolphins were marine mammals and lived in the ocean. Then last week we did a finless porpoise, and that thing had moved back into fresh water. It evolved to not have a fin because the rivers and lakes that it swims in, having a fin becomes detrimental. It's something they have to watch out for when they're trying to maneuver in shallow water. You will notice on the back of our little Amazon river dolphin, it similarly does not have the prominent dorsal fin. We have a little bit of convergent evolution going on there. That's when similar structures appear on animals in similar environments, even though the animals are not closely related. It would be very easy to look at a freshwater Amazon river dolphin and a finless porpoise and say, yes, those two animals are related, but the relation would have ended some 60 million years ago, when porpoises and dolphins differentiated from each other. About 15 million years ago, these dolphins moved into the Amazon basin. The Amazon at the time had an inland sea that started to dry up. They weren't the only dolphin in the area. There was another dolphin called Pebenista, and that sucker was about a 10-foot-long monstrosity. But it did not survive. The waters evaporated, and it did not adapt to the freshwater environment and died off. These things have been around in the fossil record for at least 15 million years, first identified and classified by a French biologist in 1817. These guys have some other adaptations, like they have molars. Most dolphins just have little conical teeth for catching fish and holding them in their mouth till they can suck them down their gullet. But these guys have different teeth in the back. They have molars, which means they chew stuff. They're picking up crustaceans and turtles. There are only somewhere between 30,000 and 45,000 freshwater dolphins left in the world. The main thing killing them off right now is they're caught and killed for catfish bait. Their numbers are being cut in half every decade, every 10 years. I cannot understand how in 2025, knowing the intelligence of this animal and its role in the environment, why we would catch it and destroy it for catfish bait. There are so many other things we can use for catfish bait. In 2024, they had a drought where the lake that they were in started drying up, and the temperatures of the lake reached 104 degrees, which basically boiled the dolphins that were living there alive. That lake lost 150 dolphins in 2024. In 2024, they passed some conservation measures. Most of the countries where these freshwater dolphins live passed conservation laws that won't allow them to hunt or kill freshwater dolphins anymore. Hopefully we'll see some results. That was in 2024. That's only been a year since the official doctrine has been in place.